Cracking steel!
What you got there?
Your head's in the theater.
All right. And then lights, Mitch. All right, we're in this beautiful custom home theater. About to turn on the lights. Everything's controlled on the iPhone here. And the master that made all this beautiful millwork and home theater possible, right here, Frank Fazio.
How you doing? I'm Frank Fazio from Grand Interiors. We designed and built this theater with Pat Gagliano for finished basements. The theater, the wood in the theater is primarily built from maple wood, stained like a medium brown to customers' liking. We've incorporated some storage units into the front wall. Snacks, can't go wrong with those. We have a subwoofer down here, some storage underneath the screen. And over here on the right hand side, my right hand side, we have a hidden door, storage closet. If you swing around towards the back of the theater, you see we incorporated a counter. The stools have not arrived yet, but once they come in, there'll be stools back here. You can sit back here, have some snacks, have a drink, and enjoy a movie.
All right, let's head out. Want to bring us out there, Frank?
Sure.
Show us what we got.
By the way, while we're still in here, all the upper panels that are a lighter color, that's all sound absorbing material. So you can't appreciate it on video, but the sound in this room is phenomenal, not to mention the video on the screen.
Guys, I'd like to also point out one thing. In the center of this room, originally, we had a column right here. So we had that removed and engineered.
It was right around here.
It was right there, yep.
Yep.
And it enabled us to create this beautiful home theater.
Okay, so walking out here, we have a lounge area. We built a walk-up bar. Same kind of wood of the theater, but it's a little bit darker tone. It's maple wood again, so maple is very versatile. You could stain it in many different tones. Comes out great every time. So at the end here, we have a cabinet. We've incorporated a garbage can in here. Microwave with a drawer below. This is a drawer dishwasher. Again, drawer below. Sink base. Refrigerator drawers, and some storage on the end. It is a wet bar, you can see there's a sink. We built in some wine storage. The shelves are not stocked just yet, but I'm sure that's on the way.
A little disappointed.
Yeah, a little disappointed.
And then, guys, we're going to head over here to this bathroom, which is done really classy. We got a beautiful tray ceiling right here, and you can see nice vanity. What real good feature here is this steam shower with the built-ins, great subway tile, very classy floor, beautiful decor. Customers did a great job of picking this out. And then Frank comes back into the scene over here as we make the turn. He built this gorgeous wall unit here, Frank. I guess all storage cabinets?
Yes, all storage. Built in 3 sections because of the height of it. The customer wanted to be able to store some things of various sizes. So all our hardware is soft close, heavy duty hinges.
Guys, this is not something that's purchased in the store. This is all custom built on site and finished on site as well.
Yes,
So,
it's a hand applied finish, all done on site.
beautiful. And you can see the whole house is Control 4, which is set up. So everything from audio, visual, lighting, so on. Over here we got a nice sitting area with a fireplace. We got this beautiful home gym. Very classy, the whole place. And I'd just like to point out to the floor. This floor is tile, and with the wood look, open staircases like we always do. We have a glass French door there at the top of the stairs, and place looks great. We're very fortunate. The homeowners had some great taste, and I just want to thank Frank once again for all his great ideas and his hard work.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Pat.